Today's modern businesses want automated end-to-end processes. But automating legacy applications is complex and time-consuming without APIs and pre-built connectors. Fortunately, the Enhanced Application Modeler makes designing and maintaining application models faster and more accurate. Powered by our new AI surface automation technology, Smart Vision simplifies building automations, and it increases use cases by 50%, whilst reducing COE maintenance time by up to 80%. Let's see how Jason, an automation developer, uses Application Modeler to develop with precision and speed. Jason starts to identify and multi-select all the relevant elements in the inventory management application. He then re-identifies elements to ensure digital workers recognize the modeled elements accurately. Jason encounters a scenario where he needs to work with an application hosted on a virtual machine, in which traditional modeling methods can be unreliable. Now, with Smart Vision, user interface elements can be identified intelligently by connecting to secure servers with computer vision and machine learning capabilities. For peace of mind, Smart Vision never stores the images and the data returned to the client, ensuring that your data is secure. Jason uses a no-code editor to analyze and view all recognized elements. He then uses other elements as anchors to build a robust visual logic so the digital worker can find his element of interest accurately every time. By using the latest computer vision models, Smart Vision can adapt and respond to significant changes in the user interface more effectively than traditional positional methods. The result is a streamlined and efficient automation development process where robust application models are created quickly and accurately. Learn more about Application Modeler to achieve better automation results. Contact us now.